What's up, guys? It's Historical Mysteries, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into some seriously creepy places. We're talking about the kind of places that give you goosebumps just thinking about them. We're counting down the top 3 most terrifying and haunted places on Earth. From abandoned hotels to deserted towns, this is not for the faint of heart. I'm talking full-on scary stuff, unexplained events, and some seriously creepy history. But that's not all. We saved the most spine-chilling for last. We're talking about a real-life UFO encounter site, so if you're brave enough to handle it, keep watching. First up on our list of the creepiest places on Earth, buckle up because we're checking into the Grand Palmer Hotel. Now, this isn't your average hotel. This place has a dark past, shrouded in mystery and riddled with spine-chilling tales. Imagine this: you walk through the grand entrance, the air thick with the scent of aging wood, and a silence that's almost too quiet. It gives you the creeps instantly. You know the kind I'm talking about. You get your room key, a heavy old-fashioned thing, and head towards your room. But every step you take echoes down the long empty hallways. You notice the flickering lights casting dancing shadows on the walls, and you can't shake the feeling that you're being watched. Local legend says that back in the day, this luxurious hotel was the scene of a gruesome murder. A jealous lover, blinded by rage, took the life of his beloved right here in the hotel. People say her spirit still wanders these halls, unable to find peace. Guests have reported hearing her blood-curdling screams echoing through the corridors in the dead of night, and it gets even creepier. Some guests have even claimed to have seen her ghostly figure standing at the foot of their beds, her sorrowful eyes burning into their souls. Imagine waking up to that. Talk about a nightmare. But wait, there's more. The hotel's old elevator is notorious for its strange behavior. It randomly jerks between floors, stopping at levels where nobody has requested, as if guided by an unseen force. Talk about a recipe for disaster. Imagine getting stuck in there at night. And get this, the temperature in certain rooms plummets to bone-chilling levels for no apparent reason. So if you're ever brave enough to spend a night at the Grand Palmer Hotel, be prepared for a truly terrifying experience. You might just encounter the heartbroken spirit that haunts its grand halls. Grand. Okay, so we survived the haunted hotel, but are you ready for our next stop on this journey to the world's creepiest places? This one's not for the faint of heart. Get this, we're headed to a town completely frozen in time. Picture this, Silent Hill, but in real life. It's called Blackwood Pines. And let me tell you, this place is straight out of a horror movie. Imagine streets lined with empty houses, their windows like vacant eyes staring out into nothingness. The silence is deafening, broken only by the wind whistling through the trees, carrying with it the whispers of forgotten memories. Imagine yourself walking down these deserted streets, each step echoing in the stillness, and the feeling of unease creeping up your spine with every passing moment. Now, here's what makes Blackwood Pines truly eerie. The residents didn't just leave, they vanished overnight. One day, they were there, going about their daily lives, and the next they were gone, vanished without a trace. Theories range from government conspiracies to mass abductions, but the truth remains shrouded in mystery. Some whisper of a strange illness that swept through the town, driving its inhabitants to madness. Others speak of a portal, a rift in the fabric of reality that swallowed the town whole. Whatever happened, the eerie silence that hangs over Blackwood Pines is a chilling testament to a mystery that may never be solved. Locals say that if you listen closely, you can still hear the echoes of the past. Children's laughter echoing from empty playgrounds, the faint murmur of conversations from abandoned homes. Some even claim to have seen shadowy figures lurking in the windows, remnants of the souls left behind. All right, guys, we've explored haunted hotels and abandoned towns, but are you ready for the grand finale? This last one is out of this world, literally. We're diving into the mystery of Roswell, New Mexico, a place forever etched in history as the site of one of the most infamous UFO sightings of all time. Buckle up because this story is going to send chills down your spine. Picture this. It's a dark and stormy night in 1947. A rancher named Mac Brazel stumbles upon something strange in his sheep pasture. Metallic debris scattered across the ground unlike anything he had ever seen before. Word spread like wildfire, and soon the military swarmed the area, their presence adding to the growing sense of mystery and intrigue. The official explanation, a weather balloon, But the people of Roswell weren't buying it. Whispers of a government cover-up began to circulate, fueled by eyewitness accounts of strange lights in the sky and tales of recovered alien bodies. The Roswell incident quickly became a global phenomenon, capturing the imaginations of millions and igniting a fascination with UFOs that continues to this day. What really crashed in the desert that night? Was it a top-secret government experiment, or did something truly extraterrestrial visit our planet? The truth, as they say, is out there. Today, Roswell stands as a monument to the unknown, a place where the line between fact and fiction blurs. The town is a hub for UFO enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists, drawn by the hope of uncovering the truth behind the Roswell incident. So there you have it, guys, 3 of the creepiest places on Earth that are sure to give you nightmares. Would you be brave enough to spend a night in a haunted hotel, explore an abandoned town, or visit a UFO crash site? Let me know in the comments which place scared you the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Historical Mysteries for more creepy content.